Hey guys, this is Yutika Zavolikar, also known as Yuti, and you're watching me on Goa Talks. I'm a digital content creator. I create content from Goan cultures to restaurants, cafes, and much more. So I belong to a small area in Dona Paula, which is known as IVOM, and I'm currently pursuing my degree in law final year. Besides this, I'm a basketball and a hockey player. I'm also into fitness, so I create content as well on fitness. I was really more interested in crimes and the series that used to come on the Sony TV and all. That's where I got interest to study law. And after that, I decided that post my 12th, I will pursue my degree in law. So I basically started before COVID, and COVID was the time when it gave me a platform to create more and more content. Earlier, it was just photos and random videos, but after the COVID, I came to know about brands that would want to work with influencers and the creators. So that's when I actually started my journey as a content creator. In the beginning, I started working with hair care brands and your skincare brands. And then once after the lockdown, a few of the cafes approached me. So that's when I started food blogging. And yeah, that continued into fashion, fitness. So it's a mixture of everything. It's not like just one niche. I was around like 42 or something. And that's when people started trolling that you're thin and all that. So I took it a little bit more seriously and I joined gym. So following the diet and consistency, I gained weight, and that's where I started liking myself more. So that got me into fitness content creation. It's not really negative, you can say, but it's how people take it in a wrong way. Wherein I have posted this transformation videos, from 42 and then it's 50. So that's when people take it in a very wrong way. Like people don't really notice the efforts that you put in the gym and then you transform yourself. So that was the only point where people were a little bit negative about it. I don't really like to read negative comments anytime that comes. So it all started from my first transformation video. So I used to, it used to affect me a lot, the negative comments that I was getting because of the transformation. So that's the reason I just keep my comments turned off. Basically, my college timings are like during the first half. So once I get free by 1, 2, I schedule all my collabs the other second half. And then the traveling and all, everything I manage according to my schedule. I do take break during my exam times, but it's not like a long break. So it's just like 1 week prior to my exams. And then I just finished all my collabs and everything before that so I can post during my exams. Well, yes, I'm going to be a full time lawyer. And content creation, I will continue, but it will be very certain. It's like, see, as a lawyer, I feel I have to give my 100% into my profession. And content creation was always a part time thing for me. So, yeah, by the time I grew more, it did become a kind of a full time thing for me for now. But when it comes to profession, and not being consistent with content creation after my joining my profession, so I don't think that I would feel bad for not continuing it, because from the very beginning I have thought that this would be till the time I don't pursue my degree. So once I get the degree, it's like a full stop for me. Is something that I would like to tell people who are, they kind of get demotivated when it comes to their weight, especially when it comes to thin people, because I was into that category. So, when people, they keep demotivating you and, point out to the way you are, it's always something that, you feel that it lacks in your body, that you're not compatible somewhere or somehow. So that is something made me start my fitness journey. All my friends were into football or cricket, and I wanted to play something different because it was like, the same girls were selected for those sports. It was like just one team going for all the sports. And hockey and basketball was something wherein, most of the girls were not really interested. So I felt that I should go and opt for those sports wherein there are, not too many people also, and it will help me to learn better the sports. And yes, it did help me because I represented Goa at the nationals. So yeah. In Goa, we believe about the Rakandars. So this place is in Sawantwadi, and I have posted about it on my stories as well. So that was one of my really good experience because it was not a destination which was planned. It was all of sudden. It was something that I always wanted to go to. And while coming back from the Amboli Ghats from the ride, it all of sudden we saw that place, and it was like, it was a place that I always wanted to go, but I couldn't go, and it was like all of sudden. So that was the most favorite thing you can say. Mr. Kurkuret is one. Then I've already worked with Desi Gorn. So yeah, and I really like the content that Flexia makes. The content when it comes to her riding, and even she's also into fitness. So yeah, even maybe with her. And lastly is Juella. It's fun when you learn everything rather than just focusing. So even when it comes to content creation, I focus on everything. So even being a lawyer, I would want to work, with all kinds of crimes that you can see. See, crimes happens everywhere. It's not like, there are places where there are no crimes at all. So Goa, I feel it is kind of developing, it's growing, and compared to the earlier years, I feel now Goa has, improved, and I don't really feel that there are like more crimes as per how it's happening in the North India. I feel as compared to North India, Goa are having like very less crimes that you can say. I live in a very small village. It's not even like I live in a city. I stay in a village area. So, when you move out from your village, you realize that compared to the cities, village life is, something where people don't have proper education and they don't know what's happening outside the village. And when it comes to city, the people living in city areas don't know what's happening in the village areas. So city is more like, are the normal life that we are having right now, parties and restaurants, these big cafes that we enjoy. And when it comes to village areas, it's like very, very simple. And the cultures and traditions people are still following, which I don't really see in the city areas. So that's what makes me feel, that people who are living in city areas should know more about what's happening in villages. So I've posted a video about the Goan Hindu Haldi traditions, how it starts, and the whatever we do during the haldi. Then I've already even posted about the Katamgal Dada Maharaja Farmagudi. So during the Shravan times, so every Sunday, each group of the villages in and around, so they get all this rice and chanas and all, and they make this gorshe, and then they serve it through the Katamgal Dada and then the people. So I've made a video on that as well. And I have made a video on the Lehrai Zatra as well. So I want people to know more about all these things, the religious customs that people are following. When you start with content creation, try to focus on something that you're talented in, something which would make you unique amongst the others, so that will help you grow more. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching me on It's Goa.